Today's task project is this old Ford tractor. It's a 1965, maybe 1965, 1968 Ford tractor. What's happening is it's been running great, and over the winter, obviously, it sits a little more than I'd like it to. And over the years, no matter how much fuel, star stuff, fuel saver, whatever they call that crap, you put in, eventually the gunk and whatnot builds up in the jets. And what starts happening is, as you're running it, you need the choke out fully in order for it to maintain its idle. And then under power, it's absolute crap. It's because there's buildup in the jets and whatnot. So anyway, point is there's a carburetor down in here. We're going to pull that off, clean it out, clean the jets out, rebuild it. So I don't know if we're going to film the whole thing or what, but I just figured I'd add this in as one of the new little tasks, because we need this bad boy in order to finish backfilling over by the pond where we're putting, not the pond, I'm sorry, by the pool where we're putting seating and building seating. We have to level that all out. So we need this bad boy and the backhoe, which I have to pull the fuel tank on that because the inside of the fuel tanks over years has rust and blah, blah, blah. We'll get into that. So yeah, I'm just going to show you kind of what we're dealing with and get at it. So we got to go in there to that little bad boy. See, it says Holly on it. That bad boy's got to get pulled off. Now, normally, this is pretty accessible because these tractors originally don't have this whole setup with the bucket. But because this one's got the setup with the bucket, we've got to kind of reach in over this and figure it out. So yeah, it's a nice day. We'll just get it done. So I definitely could have done better placement with the camera, but this was a little bit of a pain in the ass getting the wrenches in there and getting the carburetor off. And if you look at that tube that swirled, I actually ended up breaking that and having to replace it. So always fun, but I'll try a better angle next time, and hopefully I don't have to do this carburetor again for a while. Okay, that only took about, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes of excruciating pain. You can see how dirty this thing is. I don't know if the light's doing it justice, but yeah. So, bit of a pain in the ass just because getting in around that, but we got it out. So now comes the disassemble and cleaning. We'll see if we can't screw it up. I'm sure we can. One thing that's really nice about these old carburetors is a screwdriver will basically get you into every nook and cranny of it. So pulled everything apart, took some gum out, and cleaned the whole thing in and out, and then reassembled it. Make sure the floats were working well, make sure all the needles were clear. So yeah, it worked out well. Look at this, better camera angle, huh? This was reinstalling the carburetor. Was able to mount the camera underneath so you get a nice little view up of me trying to get this carburetor on for about a good 5 minutes or so. So I forgot to film. I filmed the whole carburetor being replaced and got it in, and then I don't know if the battery is dead, but I forgot to film this thing actually running, and so we're gonna do that today. Well, we're not. We're gonna do that real quick. We've got a bunch of other stuff we're doing. So yeah, everything went well. Replacing it, it runs really good, and yeah, we'll give it a shot. We'll see, starting it up, and then maybe we'll get using it. So let's see how it goes. See if we need the choke. Pretty good. Let's take it for a ride. All right. Let's see if she looks good. She's idling good. Interesting. So we're going to rake a little bit by the pond, see how she does, make sure the engine works. No bogging. All right, let's see. So at this point, tractor's running great. No bogs. Carburetor's cleaned. Sorry about this herky-jerky video, but, you know, I'm still kind of learning the whole point of view and getting the camera stuff straight. But, yeah, we got the carburetor all cleaned out. Tractor worked fine, raked out the pond. I believe we're going to do the backhoe next. So